Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the font that Wes Anderson used for his videos. I know a lot of people use different fonts for their videos, but he actually uses the Futura font. You do need to download that first. I already have like tons of videos on that, on like how to download fonts in this channel, so make sure you check that out first. Type in the word you want. First it's like 7 days till spring or something. I'm just going to type in the word 7, and I'm going to find the font I downloaded, which is here. He also uses like a yellow color for his fonts, maybe like this one. And then you're just going to kind of size it a little bit. And have it till the end of the video for the first one, and then for the second one have it kind of like show up here. And like move it, and then again here. And then again one more time, just copy and paste as you go. But you gotta move the text. Okay, this is not very centered, so you can select these and then create compound clip and kind of like move it to the, well, try to move it in the center. Maybe like here, I guess. And this is what it should look like. Oh, if you want the text to show up, make sure you just delete the first few seconds of it first, so it shows like 7 days till spring, like the videos you see a lot on TikTok. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.